Hi everyone. This weekend we have these lovely new tops coming out, and if we do the close-up on the shoes, we also have these shoes out already. And what I've tried to do this year is match the shoes with the tops. Why? Just because I've got a theory that if you buy this pair of shoes, then in theory they should be able to go with several of the tops. Likewise, if you bought one of the tops, it could go with several of the shoes. The idea being it's a bit mix and match, but the idea is it's coordinated. So with that in mind, let's start this end. And I'm going to start with the Pierre. This one's in ivory. And what I would pair this particular one up with, go to the close-up cam, is the Cortez in navy, which I think is lovely. Now, I think it's good because it's bringing out, as you can see there, the navy in the top, goes with the white and the blue lovely shoes. Nice look. Right, move on to the next one. Next to it is its brother. This is the Cortez, not the Cortez, this is the Pierre. This Pierre is in a navy. Let me see, getting there. And it's got a yellow highlight here. So guess what? I picked the yellow shoes. Well, I say yellow, they're more like a sun-kissed yellow. On the screen I'm looking at, they look quite bright, but they're more, how can we explain? They're not a mustard, they're more mellow than that. Lovely looking. Pair of shorts or chinos, and you've got a nice look. So that's the Pierre, and they're the Palos. So that's that. I think that looks good. Now, if we go to the wide shot, you'll notice on my feet, I'm wearing a pair of Armateos. I have had these on my feet since they turned up a week ago, or 2 weeks ago now, and they have been excellent. I'm absolutely loving every bit of them. And I've teamed them with the new Connery, which we've got coming out. The Connery is based on a top that I found in North Norfolk when I was on holiday, and there's a vintage shop there, and we went in and had a look, and it had one of these, and I thought, oh, that just looks like something Sean Connery wore back in the day. Team it up with a pair of these Mateos. Again, you could wear jeans, you could wear, I don't know, chinos, you could wear shorts, whatever you like. I think that's a really lovely summer look. I think that's fantastic. And lastly, the On Campus, made fully in the UK. That includes the material, the design, everything about it. This beautiful new t-shirt, the On Campus. Now, I've gone for a slightly different colour here. The idea being that I don't think you always have to have it in the same palette, but it's certainly, if you was to wear that with some jeans or again, some shorts, these shoes are going to wear with lots of different things. I think that would be really nice. So you might not only have this t-shirt, you might have a t-shirt of different colour, but this is, how should we say, the palette of this allows you to wear it with a multitude of other items. But I think that goes really nice together. So, 4 new items, the On Campus, Connery and 2 Pierres, and our lovely summer shoes, and they're out now and they're on the website.